We are going to start with the third chapter, that is trigonometric function of paper 1. So we need the previous knowledge of allied angles from 11th standard. So now allied angles are the complementary angles of the given trigonometric angles. Now these are x and y axis, first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. We know that all trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant, sine and cosec are positive in second quadrant, tan and cot are positive in third quadrant, cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant. This is 0 degree, pi by 2, that is 90. This is pi, 3 pi by 2, it is 270. Okay, and again 2 pi. Okay, we have done a multiple of 0 into pi by 2 will be 0 degree. 2 pi is 4 into pi by 2, that will be 2 pi. Here there is multiple 1 for pi by 2. 1 into pi by 2 will be pi by 2, that is 90. For 180 degree, 2 into pi by 2. 2 times 90 is 180. Here already we have multiple 3 of pi by 2. 3 times pi by 2, that is 270. And complete rotation of 360, that is 2 pi, which we have written as 4 into pi by 2. Why we have written this? You can see the even multiple of pi by 2 and the odd multiple of pi by 2. Why? In allied angles we have two statements: even do not changes the function, and second is odd changes the function. Okay, so when we get the angle which is even multiple, it will not change the angle. Okay, if we get the angle which is multiple of pi by 2 and odd multiple of pi by 2, it will change the function. Okay, even and odd are multiple of pi by 2. Okay, we will see the examples and you will get the idea of this. Suppose sine 90 minus theta. Okay, so answer of this will be, now over here there is pi by 2, the multiple of pi by 2 over here is 1, which is odd. Okay, so odd changes the function, the sign will become cos, theta will remain as it is. As pi by 2 minus theta, falls in first quadrant. Okay, this question has a sign positive. Okay, sign of question is positive, that's why sign of answer is also positive. Sign of pi by 2 plus theta. Now pi by 2 plus theta fall in second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is positive, that's why the question is positive. Hence question is positive, therefore answer will be positive. And as pi by 2 has an odd multiple, therefore function changes, it will also become cos theta. Okay, now if we see cos pi by 2 minus theta, again odd multiple of pi by 2, function will change, cos will become sin theta. Again pi by 2 minus theta falls in first quadrant, so it is positive because all functions are positive in first quadrant. So cos will be positive, hence answer will also be positive. If you take cos pi by 2 plus theta, now pi by 2 plus theta fall in second quadrant. In second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, so cos is negative and we have function of cos over here. That means this question of which we are expecting the answer, this question is negative in second quadrant, hence the answer will get negative sign. Now we will think about the multiple of pi by 2. Multiple of pi by 2 is 1 over here, which is odd. So odd changes the function, therefore cos will changes into sine and theta will remain as it is. So the answer is minus sine theta. Next we will see tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta will fall in first quadrant where all functions are positive, hence the question is positive and so its answer will be positive. But as there is an odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 1 into pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2, therefore tan will changes into cot this theta as it is. Let's check for tan pi by 2 plus theta. Now again pi by 2 plus theta will fall in second quadrant where only sine and cosec are positive, tan is negative. So question is negative, therefore answer will be negative. Since multiple of pi by 2 is odd, that is 1, therefore tan will changes into cot and theta will be as it is. Okay, once we are known sine, cos and tan, we can find out the remaining three functions and their values of respective allied angles. Okay. So this we have seen for the angle 90 minus theta which falls in first quadrant and 90 plus theta which falls in second quadrant. Now let's go for 180 degree. Sine of pi minus theta. So now pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2, that is even multiple of pi by 2. So sine pi minus theta which falls in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant sine is positive, so our question is positive, hence our answer will be positive. As even do not changes the function, see the statement even do not changes the function, therefore sine will remain as it is sine theta and it will be positive since in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. Sine of pi plus theta. Now again pi, that means even multiple of pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2. Okay. So function will not change, sine will remain as sine theta. What about the magnitude is sine theta. Okay. What about sine pi plus theta, that means it falls in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative, that means sine is negative, so the sign of this sine function is negative, hence the answer will be negative. Cos of pi minus theta, here also even multiple of pi by 2, so function will remain as it is cos theta. Now we will check the sign of cos, that is pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, so since this cos which lies in second quadrant, okay, is negative, therefore this answer is, that is allied angle is also negative. Cos of pi plus theta, pi plus theta we know that it is in third quadrant, pi plus theta. Okay, that means we all know that how come this pi plus theta falls in third quadrant, because we know that the direction of rotation is this is the direction of rotation, anti-clockwise. This is positive direction of rotation of axis. So cos pi plus theta falls in third quadrant, pi plus theta, okay, in third quadrant. So in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative, therefore cos is negative. So our question is negative over here, so our answer is also negative. Since cos pi, so pi is means even multiple of pi by 2, therefore even do not changes the function. The cos will remain as it is. Clear? So you can see cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, cos pi plus theta is also minus cos theta. We will check for tan pi minus theta in second quadrant. Okay. So in second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, tan is negative, so minus sign, and even multiple of pi by 2, hence function will not change, it will remain as tan theta. Tan pi plus theta in third quadrant, tan itself is a positive, so answer is also positive, but since pi means 2 pi by 2, even multiple of pi by 2, that's why tan will remain as tan theta. Okay, so you can see tan pi minus theta will be minus tan theta, tan pi plus theta will be positive tan theta. Similarly, we will check for 3 pi by 2. Okay, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2, that means 270. Minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta fall in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, that means sine is negative. So sine is negative, so sign of answer is also negative. Since this is odd multiple of pi by 2, function will change, sine will become cos theta. Sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Odd multiple of pi by 2, function changes. In which quadrant it lies? 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative, you can see, so answer is also negative. Cos of 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Odd multiple of pi by 2, so function changes. 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that means fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so answer will remain positive. 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, again 3 pi by 2, that means odd multiple of pi by 2, function changes. 3 pi by 2 minus theta is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, cos will be negative, hence our answer will be negative. Tan of 3 pi by 2 minus theta, odd multiple of pi by 2, so tan will change into cot theta. Tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta, that means in third quadrant tan is positive, therefore question is positive, hence answer will be positive. Tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta, odd multiple of pi by 2, function changes. 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative, cos and sec are only positive, remaining are negative, so tan is negative, so question is negative, so answer will be negative. So these are the allied angles for sine, cos and tan of all the 4, 0, pi by 2, pi and 3 pi by 2. Now for 0, that means 2 pi, okay, we will check out for allied angles for angle 2 pi, that is 360, that is one complete rotation. Sine of 2 pi minus theta. Now 2 pi minus theta will remain in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative, so obviously answer will be negative. 2 pi, that means even multiple of pi by 2. 4 into pi by 2, that means 2 pi is even multiple. The quantity 2 pi can be written as 4 into pi by 2. Hence, the quantity 2 pi is even multiple of pi by 2. So here we will imagine, we will not write this, but we will imagine this 2 pi as 4 into pi by 2, like this. So even multiple of pi by 2, that's why function will not change, sign will remain sine. Sine 2 pi plus theta. Now you can see 2 pi means one complete rotation of 360. Now 2 pi plus theta means the angle exceeds the rotation of 360 degree. 2 pi plus theta will go in first quadrant. Okay. But the same rule applies over here also. Even multiple, so function remain as it is. In first quadrant all are positive, so sign will remain positive. Cos of 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta falls in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, so answer will be positive. Even multiple, hence function will not change, function will remain as it is. Cos of 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi is 4 pi by 2, even multiple of pi by 2. So cos will remain cos. Even do not changes the function. Therefore even multiple of pi by 2. Hence cos will remain cos. Okay, theta as it is. And the sine 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta means it will go in first quadrant. So in first quadrant all functions are positive, hence our answer is also positive. Tan 2 pi minus theta, even multiple, function remain as it is. Tan 2 pi minus theta, that is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant tan is negative, hence our answer is also negative. Tan 2 pi plus theta, even multiple of pi by 2, hence tan will remain tan. 2 pi plus theta falls in first quadrant where all functions are positive, therefore tan is positive, hence our answer is also positive. Okay, once we got values